So this is the OnePlus Nord CE, or you can say it's the second generation of OnePlus Nord device for the budget edition. Okay, about the first generation of OnePlus Nord, I have tried durability 3 times overall. First time I tried in the standard usual way. The phone failed in the bend test and also failed on the drop test on the indoor house surface. Later on, I tried on the off-road, or you can say outside the house, where again phone failed on the drop test, but that was actually the case test. So to be honest, third time again I tried alongside with the Mi 10i 5G. We did the drop test outdoor, and again one was not failed while the Mi 10i 5G perfectly passed. So that's okay. That was 2020 stuff. How about 2021 OnePlus devices? These are the all OnePlus devices that OnePlus has launched in the India. This is the OnePlus 9. Display cracked, back panel okay. This is the OnePlus 9R, back panel cracked, front okay. And this is the OnePlus 9 Pro. Display is okay, but back panel cracked in some of the minor accident. But again, this phone is IP68. Somehow phone failed on the water test. How? You can check out the durability test. All right, let's start with the OnePlus Nord CE. Let's see how durable this budget, super affordable OnePlus budget device is. Alright guys, we will start our test with the splash test. I'm just going to put the phone in around 75 liters of water for around 5 minutes. The same kind of test I do perform on almost all the phones that I try, no matter it's a budget phone or even a super flagship phone. But in case of OnePlus, especially 9 Pro, we did the freeze test. We did the similar for the Apple, LG, Samsung. They all passed, but the OnePlus failed. Let's see after 5 minutes whether phone is going to survive or not. I'm sure phone should work, but the point is we have to see whether water is inside the phone or not. All right, that's the phone. Let's play it and see what is inside or not. The first surprising fact is there is no gasket protection around the OnePlus Nord CE SIM tray. This is the first time we have seen, on the OnePlus history. Also, there's a lot of water coming outside, and I don't know, with some reason the pink water is coming outside from the phone. Perhaps we will see on the tear down. All right. Phone is properly turned on, and so far all the functionalities are working like buttons. I'm able to set the fingerprint sensor. Also, I'm hearing the audio output also coming from the speaker. So far everything is working. In case anything happened during the test, I will let you know. First visible sign of liquid damage can be easily seen on the camera glass. There's a moisture there. Hopefully phone will be dead. Maybe, I don't know, after some time, maybe next day. The frame of the phone is made from the plastic, just like the OnePlus 9 we have seen. But surprisingly, the buttons are made from the metal, hopefully aluminum 7000. Rear panel is also made from the polycarbonate, just like the frame, and it can be easily scratched. Camera glass has a metal frame surrounding it, having a paint job. By the way, buttons are very tight, they are not coming out. Earpiece grill. Made from plastic mesh. SIM tray has a hybrid construction. Inside it is a metal, outside there is a plastic shape just to fix it inside the motherboard. But we are here to check the durability of the SIM tray in case you accidentally put via the wrong direction, or maybe if you intentionally bent it, what's going to happen. The SIM tray can be bent very easily, but the metal used here is very solid. Outside plastic is already broken, but metal is still holding up, and you can easily fix it and put it back on the phone. It should work fine. About the glass quality that is being used on the OnePlus Nord CE, we will check using most scales of hardness. Company has used Dragon Tail glass protection instead of Corning that was used on the last OnePlus Nord. Still, that glass is good. We have done the drop test. It performs well compared to Corning. You can say here up to level 5 there is no scratches on the display, but on the level 6 there are minor, and on the level 7 there are deeper scratches. That means standard metal object that you carry around with you like stainless steel, aluminum, copper, silver, gold, that won't scratch your display, and your front camera and all the stuff will be cool. But dust and sand and beyond that, like diamond glasses, they can easily scratch your display. On the rear side, on the camera, there is again similar kind of protection. On the level 5 there is no scratch. On the level 6 scratches minor, and on the level 7 scratches are deeper. Also, in case your display is heavily scratched, the fingerprint sensor will still work until it is not broken. Now it's time to perform the bend test on the OnePlus Nord C. The original OnePlus Nord did fail on the bend test and the display was dead. Let's give a try on the OnePlus Nord C. This again more cheaper than OnePlus Nord. We hope everything is going to be good. First, we will try to bend the phone from the screen side. Let's see what's going to happen. 3, 2, 1. As expected, and you've already seen, we have heard the sound. Since it is OnePlus Nord, it is following the exactly same tradition we have seen on the first generation of the OnePlus Nord device. The display is dead now. Try to bending from the rear direction. Let's see, is there any kind of a major damage or not? 3, 2, 1. From this side, there is nothing major, no catastrophic failure, but display is already dead. So yeah guys, that's it for the OnePlus Nord CE. The problem is still same. Trying to make more slim phone. Since this is AMOLED display, the chances are that once the display is little bit of more flex than the usual, the display internally breaks. The outside display is okay. That means the Dragon Tail glass protection that is being kept here, that is okay. But inside again, the AMOLED display is completely dead. So make no sense to drop this phone. We'll be doing a separate mega drop test with other phones on the similar price segment for the best 5G phone between 20 to 25,000. Stay tuned for the drop test. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Saurabh. Have a great day.